In 2020, domestic violence claimed the lives of 228 Texans. 17 of those victims lived here in Bexar County. That number serving as a grim reminder of how prevalent abuse is in our community. This Domestic Violence Awareness Month, city leaders want to honor victims and try to save lives. Alicia Barrera spoke to city leaders about the city and county programs for early intervention and to help victims safely leave an abusive relationship.
Bexar County is one of the highest rates of domestic violence in the country.
Domestic violence isn't just about physical abuse. It includes any behavior with a purpose to gain control over a partner. And city officials say it's silently and rapidly happening across all neighborhoods.
62,000 calls for violence. SAPD has received 22,754 more calls for domestic violence this year than at any time in 2019.
Well, if you feel unsafe in your relationship, even if no one has physically laid their hands on you, it's not okay. You deserve safety in your home.
Many times, victims decide to stay with their abuser due to lack of resources. And unfortunately, the stress of the pandemic has only made matters worse.
People are losing jobs. When they don't have that social support that they normally have, that increases violence.
The increase that we're seeing is certainly not for lack of trying to address this issue.
SAPD now works with the Metro Health Crisis Team and focuses on preventing violent incidents. COVID-19 relief funds have also allowed for the city to expand their efforts to create a safe, loving, and healthy future for both victims and witnesses of domestic violence.
We are focused on making sure that we are treating children who are indirectly victims of domestic violence and working with them to address traumas before they become expanded across a lifetime.